So I have my dual whip lights up here. I have two different mounts for my Ford Bronco here. Here in the driver's side, I'm using the mountains to metal bracket here. And then on the passenger side, I'm using the turn off-road one here. Both of these whip lights are the Nightlight brand. And I have flags on them. I have the Durham Logan flag here. And I have the America flag right here. Okay? And then I have them hooked on here into the bumper here. On these waterproof connectors. So just how I roll. Just made it simple for me. Simple, keep it blue for the driver's side, red for the passenger side. It's a simple for passenger side. Unplug it, the light is off, and I have the plug here. My hand allows me to just very quickly turn it on or off. Make sure it lines up. Here it is. Same thing with the blue. Plug it out, and you can see it's off right side here. And take the blue one, you just plug it in here. And back on. Okay. And then a quick thing here, I got the solar power hookup right here for the bumper, go inside the vehicle. And then I have the 120 volt shore power, so I can charge up various devices inside the Bronco. Using shore power, 120 volt, instead of using the batteries, yada yada. And then here I have the trailer four-way here, four-way flat here, connector here, yada yada, boom boom boom. Okay, cool. And now I go on the side, I'll show you the lights working. Right now I'm having a quick demo here. So I get inside, step on the brakes, you see it turn red. Then up here on the four ways, you'll see them both light up at the same frequency here. Then do the driver's side, and do the passenger side turn signals, and then I do reverse lights, and they be white. Okay, and I do have them hooked up in the vehicle, and all hooked up for on and for the lock and unlock. So lock turns orange, unlock orange again. I get inside the vehicle and I'll show you the brakes and everything I just said. And that's it.